In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music to your Wix website. This is a fun and creative way to enhance your visitors' experience, and it can bring a new dimension to your web presence. Let's dive straight into the steps. First, you'll want to open your Wix editor. Once it's up and running, look towards the left side of your screen and locate the Add Elements button. It's easily recognizable with a plus sign. Go ahead and click it. This will open up a menu with a whole range of options for elements you can add to your site. From this menu, you will need to navigate to Music. Here, you'll find the Wix Music Player option. Clicking on that will show you a variety of player styles to choose from. Whether you prefer something compact, classic, or minimal, take a moment to select the style that best complements your site's design. After choosing, simply drag your preferred player style onto the page where you want the music to play. Think about placing it where it's visible, but not intrusive to your overall website layout. With the Wix Music Player in place, click on the player itself and then click on Manage Tracks. This is where you'll begin to set up the actual music. You can upload your music file in formats like MP3 or WAV directly from your computer, or you can opt to connect music from Wix Media or a supported streaming platform. Now that you've got your track in place, it's time to adjust the settings to tailor the music experience to your needs. You have several options here. Some you might consider include enabling the autoplay feature, so your music begins as soon as the page loads. There's also the option to loop the song, which is great if you have a short track or want the music to continuously play. Additionally, adjusting the volume or hiding the controls can be beneficial if you're aiming for a subtle background music experience. This setting might be particularly handy if the music is meant to enhance the ambiance without overpowering the site's content. Before we wrap up, here's a quick note. Autoplay won't work on all mobile browsers unless the sound is muted by default. This is due to browser restrictions and not an issue with Wix itself. So if you're catering primarily to mobile users, it might be wise to consider this limitation in your design. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added background music to your Wix website. Your site is now poised to offer an engaging and immersive experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks